All right, coming into market open, I'm looking for Intel calls this week. Intel, man, they finally had that pop above 30. Took a long time, but to go to the daily time frame. Let me pull this up on a bigger screen. Hold on 1 second. There we go. All right, so check this out. Intel. Let's go to the daily. See Friday. They was doing nothing but climbing. Intel's been on a higher trajectory. They've been climbing. They've been stuck in this range for quite a while. Let me see. Been kind of stuck in this range for quite a while. This is what August 24th until September 25th. About the whole 2 months. They've been stuck in this range. They finally broke above this $26, $27 area. Boom, finally to the upside. All right. So what I'm looking for, get rid of this box. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so what I'm looking, finally broke above that level. So boom, $26, $27. She shot up. Finally broke above $30 forever. And this is September 22nd. So we knew it was gonna shoot from here. It shot up here, then dropped a little bit, pulled back to 28, and then just continuation all the way up until $38. So if you was paying attention and you got in right here, wait for this pullback, this last red candle form, a green candle start to form. Boom. That's $28 to $38. That's crazy. But yeah, Intel finally got that pop we was looking for. Now they going to $40. It already touched 39.64. So we're looking for a continuation. Intel is finally showing some good results. It pulled back obviously because this is Friday's candle. This is obviously because of the news. The whole stock market pulled back because of the tariff talk, right? But it still was on an upward trajectory. Like, this is nothing. This is going to get ate up. This is going to get bought up. So this is a good entry for sure. But even better, if it does pull back more, like I was saying, $33, that's a good level right here. That's a good entry if it pulls back to 33, right? Because you know for sure it's going to come back up here to this $38, $39 level. So 33 to 39, that's a big bag. But it's about getting a good entry. Don't rush this trade because it could short you. If you jump in the market open, it could pull back and you could be in the negative. So just wait for a good entry. If it does pull back, boom, wait till a little consolidation until you see buyers stepping in, till you see some candles forming that look like it's about to turn green. When you start seeing these wicks on these green candles, boom, I mean it's pushing up, it's pushing up, it's pushing up. I mean it still wants to keep, like you see right here, it's pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, and then finally got that drop. So just wait for a good entry on this one. Like I said, earnings are coming up on here on Intel. Intel earnings coming up next week. I think I said the 23rd. But anyway, yeah, look for longs because it's gonna have good news. It's had a great quarter. So if you can catch that entry right here at $33, right here, yeah, that's perfect. About $33.60, that's perfect. Get in right there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, if you can catch that entry right here, about $33, that'll be perfect. You see, it's support right here. Support. This is a support level. Let me put that in. Yeah, this is a support level right here. 33.07, about $33. See, shot past up here, came back, shot up, and been up since. But this is kind of support right here. So if it come to 33, boom, it's probably just gonna bounce and keep going. So that'll be a good entry. If it drops below 33, then it's dropping. It's dropping far. So and it might come back all the way down to the 27, 28, 27, 28 level. I doubt it'll come back there, but if it does, then you know for sure that's support. You know for sure that's getting ate up, right? So yeah, just look for those entry points. Look for calls. If like I said, wait till the market open. Look for to see what the market does. Look for the reaction off the news, off the tariff talk, seeing if it's still going to continue. If the whole market continues to drop, then you know it's just all right. Let's wait for this news and stuff to fizzle out. But if not, if his market conditions are back normal, this is great entries. Good time to get good entries on this intel and get in some calls. Like I said, give yourself 2-3 weeks. Wait till the end. Get to the end of the month expirations or farther. Might even go a little bit into November with expirations just to see the trade. Make sure the trade does what it needs to do. But boom, maybe catch if it come down here, I might catch a $33 call, or definitely if it come down here, I'm catching some. But if it come maybe a $35 call, boom, you won't be a profit because it's gonna bounce from that level and then continuation up to the upside. So it's been consolidating in this level as well. This is the new level, about right here, from about 35 to 37. This is the new level. It's been consolidating right here. This is what, Friday, Monday. Okay, yeah, it's been consolidating right here. Yeah, just the last few days, Thursday and Friday. So, like I said, keep an eye out on this. This is the new levels. So it'll either stay in this range, either break out down here, or continuation to the upside. But look for the good entry. Boom, get in, and then let this see, because this is going to 40, and then you got earnings next week. Good earnings. There's gonna be a lot of people jumping in, a lot of momentum. So it's doing good right now. Yeah, just don't rush your entries. Do not rush into entries. But yeah, I'm liking Intel for this week's swing. Possibly expiring end of the month, but hey, I'll get out early. I mean, if it make its move this week, I'm taking profit this week. I'm not really trying to wait till the expiration, but just give it a further out expiration, give you enough time for it to make that move. So yeah, that's the game plan for Intel. Let's see. All right. Yep. So let's see. Yeah, that's on Intel.